Hello guys, Blues Clues and Minions fan 464 here, about to do my first unboxing video for 2025. So let's get the scissors and open it up. In here is a few notebooks, but the main thing I want to show you will surprise those of you that don't know this. Just gotta cut the box a little bit more open. Yep, it is the Joe Maraca notebook. Now, I think the reason why Christine Walsh made this notebook is because she just wanted to. This is yet another Blues Clues notebook made, a copy, handcrafted copy from Flying Colors and Jack Specific. So yeah, I never actually had the Flying Colors version of this, but glad to see that she made this notebook now. So on the front and back, there's a picture of blue with maracas and some music notes and some swirls in the background. So yeah. So I think the only Flying Colors notebook that hasn't been copied as handcrafted one is the Blue U notebook. I think it was to promote Blues Takes You to School, but... And if Christine Walsh makes a handcrafted notebook out of that one, I will potentially get it. Here's the crayon. It's a green checker crayon because the Flying Colors version had a orange checker crayon, but they never actually predicted what color Joe's shirt used. So let's hear how it sounds. It's green-sided here. And here as well. And this notebook also came with these 4-card versions of these 4 cards of green paw prints. I honestly don't know why, but it'll work. So anyway, that's the video on this notebook that I got here. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.